Okay, just to get the technical specifications out of the way for this TV from Kogan. This is the Kogan Smarter TV. This is a 58-inch model. I got it on pre-sale for $799, but the price has recently gone up to $949. But regardless, it is still great value for money, I believe. So this TV is 4K, so it has a 3840 by 2160 resolution. That's at 120 hertz. 9.5 millisecond response time. It supports HBB TV, so for your Freeview Plus, etc., etc. Two HDMI 2.0 ports, one HDMI 1.4 port, one USB 3.0 port, and a USB 2.0 port. Also has a composite input, optical out for your speakers, etc. Here's the specs of the CPU and everything. So you've got a ARM A53 quad core at 1.2 gigahertz, a Mali T860 GPU, and it is running Android TV 7.0, which is Nougat, 2.5 gig of RAM, which doesn't sound like a lot, but for this TV it is plenty. 180 watt power consumption. It uses 503 kilowatt hours a year. Standby is 1 watt, and it's got a 3.5 star energy rating. So, moving right along to the actual review, here we are on the Android TV home screen. Some of you that have Nexus players or other Android TV boxes will be familiar with this screen. I myself have a Nexus player, so this is all very familiar to me. You have your app rows, your game rows, and because this is a TV and the inputs are controlled by Android, you have all your HDMI inputs, your composite inputs, etc. on the TV. Now I'm just restarting the TV here so you guys can get a kind of a look on how the boot time is for the TV. Although it doesn't really matter because once Android is booted once, unless you need a reboot because it's frozen or something, which I haven't had an issue with yet, it will stay in standby where the TV's got the panels off, but Android is sitting in the background just in sleep mode. So as soon as you press the on button, the TV's straight back to the home screen. You can continue doing what you were doing. So here we see the bootloader logo. So you got the Kogan logo, and Android is booting. So here we can see some free to air, which the TV handles perfectly. It doesn't lag. I'm pretty sure this TV also supports time shift as well, but you have to disable HBB TV for that to be possible, and I'm pretty sure you'd have to have like a hard drive plugged in for that as well. I'm not sure about like recording, but I know you could pause the TV. See, there you see the input switching, so I can switch to my PS4 is connected, and then you've got the other HDMI ports and composite too. And that's the end of my review. Thanks for watching.